Some of the highest earning channels on YouTube don't show their face. When people think of top YouTube earners, they usually picture creators like Mr. Beast or other big personalities constantly vlogging with high energy content, but that's not where the real money is. Some of the top earners on YouTube are animated kids channels. Simple 2-minute to 5-minute animated kids songs are pulling millions of views, earning thousands of dollars per day quietly. I discovered this while doing research and also just being a parent. One morning, my son and I were getting ready for school. I searched for good morning songs for kids. That's when I found a channel called Gracie's Corner. One of their videos has over 66 million views and it's still getting nearly 3,000 views every single hour. And based on ad revenue estimates, this channel is earning over $400,000 per month. And here's the surprising part. The animations are very simple, nothing crazy, nothing cinematic, but the songs are catchy, repetitive, and perfectly made for kids. Thanks to AI, you can create these same types of videos with music, lyrics, animation, subtitles, and timings using a single prompt. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step, even if you have zero experience. Before we even talk about creating videos, we need to talk about strategy. Most beginners jump into kids' content and immediately go after nursery rhymes like ABC songs, Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star, Baby Shark, Wheels on the Bus. But the niche is extremely saturated. You're competing with massive studios that have million-dollar budgets, teams of animators, songwriters, and marketers. That's not where beginners win. The smarter move is to focus on educational kids songs that parents actively search for, topics that big channels often ignore. Based on research, here are some of the niches that perform extremely well. You have health and hygiene. This is where you teach children hand washing and brushing their teeth regularly. Then safety rules. Explain important lessons about fire safety, stranger danger, and road safety. Then we have moral values. Here you encourage sharing, kindness, and helping others in everyday situations. Then we got community helpers. You introduce kids to professions like doctors, firefighters, and police officers. Then we got science basics. Here you teach simple concepts about planets, seasons, and weather. And finally, financial literacy for kids. Here you help children understand saving, spending, and basic money habits. Parents search for these topics intentionally, which means higher CPMs, better monetization, and less competition. This is where beginners can truly win. So step 1, find a profitable song idea. The first step is choosing the right song topic. The smarter way for this step is to use AI. So open ChatGPT and type, act as a YouTube trend analyst, generate 20 animated kids song ideas with high monetization potential and low competition. Focus on ages 4 to 6 years. Prioritize ideas parents actively search for, and within seconds, you will get dozens of high-quality ideas. For this example, we'll choose the sharing game song. Simple, educational, and parent approved. Then step 2, create kids song lyrics. So next we need lyrics, and don't worry, you're not writing Grammy-winning song. Kids' songs should be simple, repetitive, catchy, and action-based. Go back to ChatGPT and prompt it like this. Write a two simple kids song for ages 4 to 6 called the Sharing Game Song. Make it upbeat, catchy, and easy to sing with simple actions like passing, giving, and high-fiving. And in seconds, you'll have lyrics that are perfectly structured for kids. Keep the songs around 2 to 5 minutes long, as this is the sweet spot for watch time and replay value. Step 3. Turn the song into an animated video using Higgsfield AI. Now comes the fun part. We are going to turn those lyrics into a fully animated video using Higgsfield AI. Today, I want to show you how this tool works and how I personally use it, especially for projects like children's animated videos, where having consistent, engaging visuals is key to keeping young viewers entertained. Higgsfield AI is an AI video platform that lets you create short, animated video clips using images and prompts. Instead of animating everything frame by frame, you start with an image called a start frame, and Higgsfield AI generates motion, camera movement, and animations from that. Higgsfield AI is designed for creators rather than studios, making it especially useful for anyone producing YouTube videos, whether long-form, storytelling, or short-form animated visuals. It's also ideal for short-form content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. With Higgsfield AI, you can easily turn still images into motion, create stylized animations, and even bring character-based scenes into life, all without needing complex animation software. Now let's start by creating one animated kids song with Higgsfield AI. The first step is choosing your start frame. This is the image you upload that sets the foundation for your video. It defines the character, pose, background, and overall style. And Higgsfield uses it to generate all the animation that follows. For kids' videos, this is especially helpful because it keeps the characters consistent, maintains the same style across multiple videos, and even allows you to reuse the same character for different songs. Once the start frame is selected, you can guide simple motions like clapping, dancing, or waving, and Higgsfield AI automatically fills in the animations, so you don't need to worry about complex keyframes or timelines. Next, you can generate the video using a single clear prompt. For example, we can use this prompt. Create a 2-minute animated kids song video in 16:9 format for children aged 4 to 6 years. Bright, colorful, and high energy. Diverse animated children playing, dancing, sharing toys, then sync the subtitles perfectly to vocals. Add cheerful background music at 120 beats per minute. Then paste your song lyrics below the prompt. After selecting the start frame, setting the video length to 2 minutes, and choosing the platform as YouTube Kids, and then picking the highest quality, you simply hit generate, and in just a few minutes, Higgsfield AI produces the full animation, including visuals, music, lyrics, subtitles, and perfect timing. If something isn't quite right, maybe the text placement, scene speed, or a specific animation, you can fix it easily using simple commands like increase audio speed, replace scenes with kids dancing, or change language to Spanish. You can even produce videos with other languages. Once you're satisfied with the results, export the video, and just like that, you have a fully animated, kids-friendly, monetizable song ready to share on your YouTube channel. I highly recommend that you start trying out Higgsfield AI for your own content, whether it's kids animated videos, storytelling, or creative visuals. You can get started today by clicking the link in the description and get access to all the Higgsfield AI features. So go ahead and click the link in the description and get started with Higgsfield AI. Next is create your YouTube channel. It's completely free. For thumbnails and banners, use Canva or AI image tools. For titles, descriptions, and SEO, use vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Focusing on parent search intent. For example, a great title will be Learn to Share, the sharing game song for kids. Age between 4 to 6, clear, simple, and searchable. Remember, consistency matters more than perfection. Upload regularly to build momentum. Then step 5, scale and build a kids content empire. If you want to do this seriously, you will need a monthly AI plan that allows multiple generations. Uploading consistently is what unlocks the YouTube algorithm trust, suggested videos, and passive income. Most people watch videos like this and never take action. The ones who do, they build digital assets that pay them monthly. So to recap, your first video won't be perfect, and that's okay. What matters is starting. Kids content is evergreen, meaning once uploaded, it can generate income in years. If you're ready to build a real AI-powered YouTube business, start today. So go ahead and click the link in the description and get started with Higgsfield AI. Thank you so much for watching Ruth Finance. Please like and subscribe to join the Ruth Finance community where I share on how to build your income online. I will see you in the next video.